Hey, what's up, guys? So today I have here is a wireless microphone. I decided to upgrade my microphone just a little bit for my cell phone, so I decided to get the USB-C one. It comes in a nice little small box like this. I did give it a try and it works beautiful, no issues at all. I did make a video with it and I made sure that it works perfectly fine before even showing it. So it comes in a nice little box like this. You can see it's wireless for live shows, interviews, or vlogs. Short videos is up to you. Tell you right now, the product is good. So let's get it open. I put everything back in the box to show you exactly how it comes. You do get a manual. This is your manual. It's pretty short, so it's pretty easy to put it. So if you follow this direction right here, nothing comes up like this, so don't think that you're gonna see this little logo. If you do, you're lucky, because I did not see it at all. For a while I thought it was not working, but then I decided to start doing the video and it says that it's recording external mic, so it does work and it works very well. I went to the kitchen. It's maybe about 30 feet from where I'm making the video and it sounded clear. So it does work absolutely 100%. So this is your menu. Basically, you're going to go through it before you even start playing with it. Just make sure you always go through your menu. So you have the little container like this. It does come with a nice little carrying case, so you can take it with you wherever you go. So once you get it open, you do have your external mic. So this is going to go exactly into your shirt or wherever else would you like to put it. Your charger right here, and the power button is in the back. The mic is on the top version. So you clip it onto your shirt and you're good to go. This is the USB-C part that goes in your port. You will put this in your port first, and then you'll turn on the other one and they will pair together. So you have a little light, a little LED in the side right here, and the other one you have a little light back here. Okay, and final, you get a USB charger. So it's a USB-C charger cable, so you'll connect it and you'll give it a charge. What I can say, I don't have sponsors for this, so I am truly saying the truth. It is good. I recommend it if you decide to get a mic. For the price, it was really good and it sounds very clear. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, comment below.